What's up, obese Americans? So this is just a sad video. I just wanted to say this is my very obese dog. She was diagnosed with when she was born. She was diagnosed with obesity insanity, and it was basically where she was really fat. So we got that checked out. She still has a little bit of extra fat. She almost weighs more than me, and she's only 2 years old. And this is her, Penny. Penny. She doesn't have to do her name yet. You want to say hi to the viewers? Want to say hi to the viewers? Penny? Say hi. Yes, so this is my autistic dog. And she was diagnosed with obesity, omacity, or whatever I said in the beginning. But yes, she was diagnosed with obesity, omacity, and I just wanted to say that I have good ideas. So in my next video, I'm probably going to be building a pistol or 1911 out of Legos. She likes sniffing the ground. And now there she goes. Bye guys. She loves my bed. Oh, she's getting my. I think she's getting my.